border, Malawi, Tanzania. Hello. This is a very traditional way to grow coffee, and it's in between the banana trees, so that the coffee plant is shaded by the banana trees. Now there are new varieties of coffee that don't need to be grown in between the banana trees, but that's sort of genetically modified, and it's also, it was explained to me in Colombia that these new varieties, they basically destroy the environment. That's it. Now I have to pray for 50 kilometers. That's how you do it. Surfing. Look at the giraffe. Oh, look at that. Look at the giraffe. Look. Wow. She's running. I just finished crossing the park. I'm still alive. I saw some wildlife, but no lions. I saw some giraffes. I saw some zebras, impalas, gnu, many, but it's all good. No big cats. That's my meal. Beans. Look at my private beach in Zanzibar. I'm in the north east part of the island. It wasn't easy to get here. I had to go through a path in a bit of forest, but someone went through the trouble to plant these pines and also to cut the grass and the forest, and this is where I'm gonna spend my night. So it's free because I didn't want to pay any camping, any resort, because this is priceless. I'll be alone, nobody's gonna bother me. Incredible, priceless, because free stuff is usually priceless in this adventure. Today I'll be very, very happy. Last night I camped in a beach. I had to move my tent because the tide was gonna flood the beach, and there was lots of fishermen going past through my tent all night. So I didn't really sleep much. Got up at around 4, so I will be sleeping like a baby here, I think, tonight. And there's lots of breeze, and I won't be sweating too much. The more I continue with my adventure, I realize that the best experience I have are for free, and it's like camping here. It's gonna be free, nobody's gonna bother me tonight, and I don't have a shower, I don't have Wi-Fi, and I don't care, because this is amazing. And yeah, another lesson learned in the trip. Ciao. Another view of my campsite. I'll do a time lapse setting up my tent. In Tanzania, I've seen this in a lot of places. I don't know what that is. That's Kilimanjaro. Not cloudy. Beautiful.
Mwamfunishe kubupina, mwamfunishe ukwabule chiwote, mwamfunishe kubupina lesae, nimwemweka tatae, nimweka msunga, ndi mwana wenu. Mwandetele kubunonshi, mwandetele ukwafule fisuma, mwandetele ukwawama lesae, nimwemweka tatae, nimweka msunga, ndi mwana wenu. Ndi mwana wenu. Dis-moi when dis-moi when nimweka tata, nimweka musunga, nimweka lesa, nimweka musunga, nimweka tata, nimweka musunga lesa nimweka tata nimweka musunga.